Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Living Life Uncut. আমার সকল বাঙালি দর্শকদের জানাই শুভ বিজয়ের আন্তরিক প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা। And to all my non-Bengali viewers, I hope you had a great Navratri and Dasera with your family. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Today's video is going to be a recommendation video as per the title, and yes, I am here with 25 plus gift items for Diwali that you can gift your family or yourself. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first gift item is the home decor item section, and in this we have a lot of options starting from showpiece, wall arts, paintings, flower vase, door hangings, wind chimes, artificial flowers and vines, as well as wall clocks. The second topic that I have is under the category of lighting, and that is you can buy fairy lights, tea light candles, lantern lamps, scented candles, LED light strips and a lot more kinds of bulbs, because you can decorate them in your house, you can gift them to somebody else to make their house more beautiful. So that is also a gift item to be considered. Number 3 is the oil diffusers, or we can also call as humidifiers. Number 4 is the essential oil set. Now I'm going to say about some of the items that are evergreen, because these has no expiries, or this can be used in any of the occasions that we have all around the year, not specifically as Diwali items, and that is cushion covers, cushions. Next is the bed sheets, bed covers, divan sets, all these kinds of things. And the next item I'm going to talk about is regarding the home interiors, and that includes curtains, rugs, carpets, doormats. As we all know, Diwali is around the time of like November, and from November it actually gets a little chilly, so we need to think about something that keeps us warm and cozy. And speaking of cozy and warm, we cannot neglect the dohars, the blankets, the quilts. So keep that in mind. That can also be a very good gifting items. Next is the category of home appliances. Now we all know there are a lot of home appliances that you can buy for yourself or for a very close relative or family member. So there are many home appliances. I'm just going to go through some of them. So in home appliances we have washing machine, dishwasher, vacuum cleaner, room heater, AC, geyser, and a lot more than that. And the next Diwali gift item is the kitchen appliances. Now we all know we need our moms need a lot of kitchen appliances when they try to cook different kinds of dishes, be it pizza, be it tandoor, be it cake, be it anything else.
So we need to keep that in mind that in order to get really tasty food, we also need to provide them with a lot of appliances. So this is the perfect time to buy some for your own kitchen. So we have toaster, blender, juicer, mixer grinder, microwave, refrigerator, induction, kitchen chimney, water purifier, and a lot more than that. If you are very much keen into baking, then I'm not going to talk about all the baking essentials that a person needs while baking, but you can also consider those things as a nice gifting item.
One eternity later.
Number 11 comes to the point of jewelry. Now jewelry is something that could be of precious metals, or that can also be used as handmade jewelry, clay jewelry, jute jewelry, even the shells made of jewelry. So I think jewelry made of shells, sorry. So these are also some kinds of jewelries that really look chic. The next item I'm going to talk about is perfumes. I myself love perfumes, and I'm sure you guys also love perfumes. So perfume is also a very good gifting item to be given in Diwali. Coming back to point number 13, that is grooming kits. Now we all know grooming kits are so essential nowadays. Both men and women use grooming kits, and we have a lot of varieties in grooming kits. First of all, there are shaver, trimmer, epilator, hair dryer, straightener, curler, and I don't know, more than that maybe. So keep that in mind. 14 is makeup products. There are a huge variety of makeup products available, so you have to choose what you need this Diwali. Number 15 is skincare products. Next is the shower essential products. When we are talking about Diwali, we can't miss these two items that I'm going to talk about, and that is clothes and footwear. We all need clothes and footwear throughout the festive season. So one of the best gift items that you can give to anyone and everybody. Next is the handbags or the purse, wallets section. Next is the gadget item section, and we all know that nowadays gadgets are the most important thing that we need in our life. There are a lot of gadgets available, so I'm just going to go through all of these. Phones, headphones, earpods, smart watches, camera, GoPro, drone, ring light, softbox, microphone, tripod, phone covers, and a lot more than that. Depending if some of your friends are YouTubers or influencers, then I'm sure a ring light or a microphone, softbox, all these kinds of things will be a very good gift to give somebody in the Diwali. Wristwatch item. Now I have just told you that smartwatch, but I just feel that smartwatch has a definite role, but wristwatches, the old, like the classic wristwatches, are the game changer of any outfit that you wear. You know, doesn't matter whether you're wearing a ethnic dress or a western dress, the wristwatches are the game changer, trust me. Okay, the next point is books. Now we all know books are very important, and to all the book lovers, I know getting books or gifting somebody books are like a dream come true. So definitely think these books as a very good gift item in this Diwali. Number 22 is the indoor plant as gifting item. Next is the puja item. Now puja item is a lot of variety. Puja item consists of a lot of things, and we all need a lot of things in the puja room. If you don't know, then you can discuss it with your mom or with your dadi, but she will definitely guide you on the things that you have to need, that you absolutely need in your puja room. It could be a kalash, it could be a shank, it could be a diya, it could be a urli, it could be a whole puja thali set, it could be anything. So it is a very good item as Diwali gift. Next gifting item is crockery or cutlery unit. Now I'm going to tell you that I am being very random, so please don't judge me on that. Number 25 is the dinner set. Number 26, coffee mug set as well. 27, knife and chopping board set. Now all these items that I've just told are really helpful in the kitchen. So if you are someone who have just started your journey, or you have just moved out and you're just reorganizing your kitchen or renovating your kitchen and thinking about to incorporate some things that you need in your daily life in the kitchen, then definitely think about these items, because you might not be needing a full dinner set every day in your life, but definitely when you have guests over, you will be needing that bone china set that is stored in your mom's cabinet. So you need to keep that in mind, that that is a very good gifting item when you have guests over, like in Diwali. Number 28. Now we have, I have talked about everything: makeup, jewelry, home decor, everything, but I am not yet talking about the kids. Who are going to talk about the kids? Kids are a very important part of our family, and they need to be given gifts also. So we need gifts for them. So I have a couple of things, that is toys. We all know toys, but I'm going to recommend that please do not buy them crackers, because these are the young generations who need to be aware about the environment, about the current situation, about the pollution and everything. So if you are a responsible father or a mother, even a responsible guardian, then please don't buy kids crackers, because at the end of the day, who are going to suffer? Maybe then they will grow up and they will face a lot more problem than that we are dealing now. So please don't encourage them to buy crackers, rather buy them good stuff, like, you know, doodle coloring books, lego sets, board games. I'm a 90s kid, so I'm sure that many of you can relate then, that we used to enjoy board games, you know, chess and ludo and, you know, uno, all these things. So try to grow the interest of board games and indoor games in real games, not buying crackers, loads and loads of crackers. Thousands rupees are going to be just being wasted, nothing more than that. So please don't buy them crackers. Just think about alternative options to make them entertained throughout Diwali. Now this item that I'm going to say is really a big investment, that is, I'm going to talk about furniture. Now I know many of the families who tend to buy furniture around this time, because there are a lot of offers offline and online. And before the Diwali also we get a festival, also we get a Shubh Muhurat as Dhanteras. सो धनतेरस के टाइम में बहुत सारे जगह पे ये सब ऑफर्स मिलते रहते हैं, तो इसीलिए दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड टाइम टू इन्वेस्ट इन फर्नीचर इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग टू बाई something like that, renovating your house or your room or shifting to a new place. Then furniture is the right thing to buy in Diwali. And lastly, we are here about the cutest member of any family, and that is pets. It doesn't matter you have a rabbit or a dog or a bird or a cat, doesn't matter. They are also part of the family and they also needs to be treated well in Diwali. So don't forget to buy them a lot of new collars, maybe treats, some cool dresses, shirts and all. And so buy them some, essential products for them. They are grooming kits maybe. So do consider them if you have them in your house. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And let me know in the comment section below that whether you have any further recommendations as well. If you have, then I would love to read them. And if you guys have any separate video recommendations, or if you have any suggestions, then don't forget to write all of them in the comment section so that I can read out them, and I will definitely do a separate video and make you guys happy, because that is my job, to make my viewers happy and satisfied. So that's it for today, and don't forget to like the video, share the video with all your friends and family, and give them a little suggestion so that they don't miss out on any Diwali gift items. And subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, you all know the drill, and I will see you all next week. Bye.